Hello boys and girls, today we have magical colors and we're going to draw turtle. So we're going to draw turtle. We need one paper, we have already here. We need one pencil and we can have colors, pencils, markers, crayons, whatever we have. Okay, let's draw turtle. To draw turtle, we need to make curve. This turtle is going towards left. Okay, so let's make a curve, go like this, and we're going to make one more to close this. Okay, let's go and make one more curve, like a backwards U, and connect. Now we need to make one more U on the top and curve and connect, curve and connect like a turtle's neck. We need two flippers, curve, go round and connect, curve, make a round, come back and connect. Now this side we need curve and then go back in a straight line, the same way, curve, come back in a straight line like a semicircles. Okay, now this turtle have two eyes and they have beak like a mouth. Okay, so let's make like a little beak there. They have shell on their body. Their bodies are made out of shell which has different patterns on the shell. So there are many different colors. Turtles are olive green, greenish black, they're yellow, orange, and many other colors. You will be able to see turtles. They are really friendly to the human. Let's color our turtle green. And after coloring, we can put some patterns over our turtle. Okay, so you can color green or you can color yellow if you like to, or orange. You can color whichever color you want to. Okay, just play with it, do your drawing and start filling the color, but make sure you are inside the lines. Do not go outside the lines. Try to do it first outside and then fill it inside like this. Very easy. You all can do it. Their shells are very hard and they are like our nails. Their shell body is made of keratin. You know, they are omnivorous because they eat plants and animals. They like to eat both the things. Yeah, they look for their food all day almost, and they like to eat fish as well as shrimps and crabs and all when they are under the sea. When they come out, they eat plants or some small insects they eat. Okay, let's make the face and the border as well. You can add one more color for the border if you like to. I'm going to add a brown color for the border here. So the shells have so many patterns on it. So we're going to create some patterns on the shell. They look like a geometric pattern. You can make diamonds, or you can make triangles or circles, whatever you like. So you need to think and be creative and make your own turtle of your choice. Okay, so this is almost done coloring, and now we're going to create a pattern on it. Okay, let's do it with the marker. So I'm going to just make some lines here. First, let's make an outline. Okay, it will look really neat. Let's make an outline, follow the lines. We made a curve, and then we're going to make one more curve, and then we connect and make one more for the inside border, and we're going to and then connect. Let's make a curve like a U and connect. For the flipper, we can do, first let's make a border. Just we'll make some lines here to show there are rectangle patterns on the border, or you can also make circles if you like to. So whatever you like, you can make. Be creative and do your best. Okay, so we're going to make this side a little dark. You can make this side also a little dark. Even when you can make one dark and one light. One just leave the color and one fill it with a marker to show it's a border. Okay, let's fill it all over the border. It's going to be quick and fast. You all can do that with me. Okay, so now let's put two eyes on both the side and make a little beak like a triangle. Okay, and then we need to outline our flippers. Go round, curve and in. Make a round curve, go down, and a line that connects in. Okay, same thing we're going to do it on this side also. Curve, turn round, come back and connect. Curve, turn round, come back and connect. Now we're going to do tricks to make our flippers with some patterns. We're going to make big one first. Okay, all over, very big first. You can make circle or oval, however you like. You can make 3 or 4. You see the space, how much space you have, and then fill it with the small circles all over quickly. See how fast it is? So we are done with almost 2 flippers, and now we are starting the third one. So this is how we do our borders and our flippers to put some patterns on it. Now inside body shell also has some patterns. You can do easy ones or you can do it some zigzag with me. Let's do it big zigzag. Okay, marker is not working really good. The markers sometimes they work and sometimes they don't work on crayons. So just come closer and make one more zigzag line and connect. Now connect this line to show the pattern. Okay, now you can make one more diamond where you see like this, and you can also connect like this. See, however you like to do it, you can do it and make some patterns on the back of our turtle. Now we're going to make one more turtle. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make one more turtle. It's very easy. This time we're going to make turtle that is going on this direction, that is on the right. So let's make like a teardrop. Curve, make a round and come back. Going to make one more curve, round, come back like a teardrop. Then we're going to put some circles on the border quickly and fill it, the whole teardrop that is our turtle's body. Okay, and then we're going to make a flipper, go round and come back, go round and come back. This time we're going to make a round and well pointy from the down. Round, curve and pointy. Okay, now let's make a head. You know, the turtles can put their head and their flippers inside when they see some enemies or some big animals that they try to come and eat them. But it is not that everybody can, all the turtles cannot do that. Only few turtles can do that. Okay, so this is the pattern. And now we can make one more pattern, easy pattern here. Let's put some big ovals here, and when we go down, make it smaller. Just do the same thing on this side as well and fill your pattern with this ovals and circles. Now you can make some small circles on the border here like this, or you can do it on the flippers too. So fill it. Some has only few dots and few patterns. they're not busy like this. They are sometimes like this, and sometimes only incredible lines they have. And they have some strikes and bulky lines, that is black and brown in color. And you know what? They are omnivores. They eat plants and vegetables, and they also called as cold-blooded. You know what that means? They can live under the water. Then that means omnivores means they eat plants and vegetables. Cold-blooded means like they can change their body temperature according to the weather. Okay, so they change, like if they are in cold, we need all jackets, right? They don't need jackets. Their body temperatures turns according to the weather. Okay, let's put some bubbles when they come out to breathe, sea turtles, and there are few bubbles that is blowing when they breathe. They are blowing some bubbles. Okay, under the water they are coming here to breathe. Let's put some water here too. All done. You can also make some small patterns inside the turtle shells like this with the pen. If you have pen, you can draw some small circle and fill it. You can even fill under the head like this. Let's make this a little sharp so they can eat their food. Let's make 2 eyes, cover it, and color this turtle as well. Let's color yellow. You like yellow color or orange maybe? This looks more like orange. See, some colors are different when they're written yellow, but they look orange when we try to do it. That's so silly, right? The turtles are very friendly with humans, and some people also keep them as a pet. Do you have a pet? Now you have turtle pet. Draw, color, and even you can cut and make some puppet out of it. Okay, so do whatever you like and enjoy and have a wonderful day. See you for the next time. Bye.